How to log out of Gmail account on laptop or computer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly log out of your Gmail account on your laptop or computer. If you use Gmail for personal or work related tasks, it's always so good to log out when you're done for security reasons. So let's dive right in. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. In this video, I'm using Google Chrome. Next, type gmail.com into your browser's address and press enter to open the Gmail login page. Log into your account. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look at the upper right corner of your screen. You should see a small circle or an icon in your profile picture. Simply tap on it. There you can see an option called sign out. Simply tap on that. And that's it. If you sign into more than one Gmail account, you'll see the option to sign out of all accounts. Simply click on that, and that's it. That's how you simply log out of Gmail account in a laptop.